Is the Safari browser acting weird on your iPhone? Maybe you have issues with slow loading, random crashes, or it's just not working right. In this video, I'll show you two simple tricks to reset Safari and get it running like new again. And the first step is to open Safari on our phone, and the first step is to clear out history. We can easily do that by tapping on this little book icon at the bottom of the screen. Then make sure that this little clock icon is selected. This will show us the website history in our Safari, and these are all of the websites which we had visited in the past. You'll want to click on the Clear option at the bottom right corner, and that will open this menu for us. We will have the ability to clear the history from today, from the last hour, and we can clear all of the history if you don't use it as much. But keep in mind that you'll need to log in on different websites again, with your email address and password if you do this, because this will also clear your saved login information on websites which you had visited and used. So it's a good idea to clear the history from today and see if that checks your issue. Also, make sure that the Close All Tabs option is enabled, and this will close all open tabs in Safari, which is going to clear the memory a bit. After this step, we're going to close the Safari browser and then open the settings on our device. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this page and open the Apps section. This is going to open a list of all the different apps which we have installed on our iPhone, but let's find Safari and then open it. You'll have a lot of settings and options which you can customize on this page, but let's get all the way down until we find the Advanced option. Then tap on Website Data and remove all website data. This will delete all cookies, saved logins, and website data stored in Safari. It can help fix browsing issues, speed things up, and improve your privacy by removing trackers. So those are the two steps that you'll do in order to reset Safari. Tell me in the comments down below if this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.